Hello friends. Welcome to another adventure with Mr. Desi. Today, my wife and I decided to ditch the plans and hit the road for a spontaneous road trip. We've packed our favorite snacks, loaded the cooler with chilled drinks, and are ready to see where the journey takes us. No fixed destination, just pure excitement, beautiful views, and amazing memories in the making. Join us as we explore, laugh, and embrace the joy of the open road. As we cruised along winding roads, trees wrapped around us in beautiful colors, making everything feel so calm and peaceful. We passed endless rows of grapevines, soon to be harvested for Canada's famous ice wine. With our playlist on full blast, we sang our hearts out, a little off key, but who's judging, and laughed till our sides hurt. The golden sunlight made the whole scene glow like a dream. Join us for these magical fall vibes, it's going to be unforgettable. We arrived in Jordan, Ontario. Jordan Village is nestled in the heart of the wineries of the Niagara Benchlands, just off the QEW at exit 55. Here, you won't find any superstores, just charming specialty shops brimming with one-of-a-kind items, exclusive artworks, and stunning home and garden decor. This quaint little town is renowned for its beauty and charm, and we totally got lost in the wonderful vibes. Every corner was full of delightful surprises. Join us as we explore this hidden gem, there's so much to discover. Unfortunately, the day we visited, all the shops were closed, so we didn't get to explore inside any of the stores. But that didn't dampen our spirits. We still enjoyed the beautiful surroundings and the cozy vibes of the town. Sometimes it's the moments spent together that matter most. We decided to stop by RPM Bakehouse. As soon as we stepped inside, we were greeted by the aroma of freshly baked goods. It's the perfect place to relax with a cup of coffee. Their menu features a mouth-watering selection of sandwiches, scones, and exquisite desserts. The cozy atmosphere was so inviting that we found ourselves lingering for a while, soaking in those little moments of joy. We even decided to order some food and a loaf of sourdough bread to take home. We indulged in freshly made sandwiches and delicious baked scones while sipping on some amazing coffee. Each dish was crafted with care, and the delightful aromas created the perfect backdrop for our mini break. We decided to sit outside and soak up the nice warm weather while enjoying our coffee and food.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
You sure? Don't trust too much.
After a relaxing break at RPM Bakehouse, we are now heading to our next destination, the Watering Can Flower Market. Nestled in the heart of Niagara's wine country, this European-inspired shop is bursting with vibrant plants and stunning flowers, offering new discoveries at every turn. As a family-run business passionate about plants and flowers, they are excited to share their love for nature with everyone.
Specialtiness.
Yeah.
If you are looking for a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, the Watering Can is a hidden gem. The Watering Can's Bistro, a charming eatery within the renowned flower market, allows you to dine surrounded by lush greenery and the delightful sounds of wild birds. Next, we are heading to the Bench Brewery, an independent craft beverage company located in the beautiful Niagara Benchlands wine region near the town of Lincoln. This area is surrounded by some of Ontario's finest agricultural land, providing the perfect setting to create great tasting, approachable beer, cider, and wine that truly reflects our local terroir. The Bench Brewery is known for its passion and creativity, and here you'll find unique and delicious drinks that showcase the essence of this region in every sip. Join us as we explore this amazing brewery, taste some incredible craft beverages, and discover what makes this place a must-visit in the Niagara region.
Okay.
Sipping on a refreshing cider or smooth beer, paired with some salty pretzels, we reflect on the day's experiences and this place's commitment to sustainability. It's not just a fantastic way to appreciate local craftsmanship, but also to soak in the breathtaking surroundings. As we wrap up this beautiful day at the Bench Brewery, it feels like a relaxing conclusion. The scenic views of the Niagara Benchlands combined with the delightful flavors of craft beverages create an atmosphere that invites us to unwind and savor the moment. Enjoying the little things we have in our life, This relaxing end truly embodies a day spent in harmony with nature and community. And honestly, this is the perfect way to wrap up a perfect day out here, saving great beer, delicious pretzels, and the stunning beauty of the Niagara benchlands. Thank you for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and leaving a comment about where you'd like us to visit.